Ito ang mga madalas na problema ng mga buyers kapag nasa abroad ang sellers. Welcome to Real Estate Talks by Cha Asilo, where property question meet expert answer. This is episode 17 and our topic for today is documents you need when sellers are abroad. So ayaw natin dumating yung time na kung saan nakapagbayad ka na in full, nagpapakompute ka na ng taxes, tapos nalaman mo kulang pala yung documents na kailangan mo o yung hawak mo. May interest and penalty na yan sa BIR. So, ano nga ba itong additional documents na kailangan mo? Ito ang ating tinatawag na Notarized and Consularized Special Power of Attorney or SPA. So, dapat beforehand pa lang, meron ka na rin ito. And tip lang, you can also set up a Zoom meeting with the property owner and also their SPA. So, make sure na yung signature ni seller at saka yung ID niya ay nagmamatch dun sa SPA. And make sure na yung SPA niya at yung valid ID ay nagmamatch din. So, dito mabe-verify mo na ito talaga yung SPA ni owner. So, I hope this will help. Stay tuned to discover the world of Philippine real estate with me. One question, one real at a time for now. Bye!